Hello. In this video, I'll walk you through setting up your first configurator with the KILB Canvas Configurator for Shopware. The KILB Canvas Configurator comes from the same team that developed KILB Product Designer, among the earliest and most widely adopted configurator extensions in the Shopware store. The Product Designer app gives your customers a free-form design experience: drag and drop, resize, rotate, and more. The Canvas Configurator, by contrast, guides them through a curated set of options you define upfront. Take a look at both to find the right fit for your use case. For a full breakdown of differences and use cases, check the documentation. Enough of the intro, let's get started. First, log into your Shopware administration area. Under My Extensions, make sure the KILB Canvas Configurator is installed and activated. Next, you'll need to prepare a few images in advance. The most important is the base image, which forms the bottom layer of the preview visible to your customers. Typically, this is an image of your product with no options or customizations applied. You'll also need image masks representing the different options customers can choose from. In this example, those are image masks for the t-shirt color and t-shirt logo. Image masks have a transparent background and show only what changes relative to the base image. They are layered on top of the base image, and as you can see, all images, base and masks alike, share the exact same dimensions. These images are only needed if you want to use the app's built-in preview functionality. If you don't need a preview, you can skip this step. You can create them with any graphics software you prefer. If you'd like a dedicated tutorial on creating image masks, we'll be making one soon. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support. Once you've prepared your images, upload them to the Shopware Media Manager as shown. Next, navigate to Content, KILB Canvas Configurator. The first thing you'll see is the Orders tab. Since no orders with custom configurations have been placed yet, it's empty for now. Switch to the Configurators tab to get started. Click Create Configurator and give it a name, then hit Save. Next, select your base image from the media library. Its dimensions will be recognized automatically. Finally, specify the width and height of the preview your customers will see while configuring their options. Also check the Use Canvas Preview as Line Item Image option. This means that in the cart and checkout, Shopware will show a preview of the customized product instead of the default product thumbnail. Hit Save. Now let's add some options. Every option has a label, which is its display name, and a type. The two main types are Image, where the customer selects from a set of images, and Text, where the customer can type custom text. You may see additional types as well, since we continuously expand the app's functionality. Hit Save. Next, we'll create the values for the option you just created. These are the individual choices available to your customers. Start by entering a meaningful label, then click Save. Then, select the corresponding image mask from the Media Manager. Click Save, then repeat the same steps for all remaining option values. Let's fast forward through this part to keep things moving. In this example, customers can not only choose a color, but also add custom text. That's why we're adding a text option here. This works very similarly to adding an image option. You'll also need to add an option value for text options. In most cases, a single value is enough, but multiple values are supported, useful. For instance, if you want to let customers choose between printed or embroidered text. I'll add a default text here, which will be shown to the customer as a starting value. I'll also limit the text to a maximum number of characters. Hit save and scroll down to specify the text styling options your customers can choose from. These include sizes, fonts, and colors. In this example, we'll set up 2 sizes and 2 colors. Since fonts require a few extra steps, we'll skip that for now. Feel free to look into the documentation how to add your own fonts. Hit save, then let's see how the configurator looks to your customers. Start by finding the product you want to assign it to and copying its product number. Enter that number under Assign Products in the configurator options. Before checking the front end, make sure to clear the Shopware cache. This is always required for changes to take effect. Now, finally, reload the product page to see the configurator in action. Now let's identify what needs adjusting. The first issue is that the preview image is too large, taking up more screen height than necessary. A smaller preview size will work better for most customers. Second, the text isn't appearing in the correct position, as we haven't configured its placement yet. And we'd also like to add a motif option, letting customers choose from a set of clip arts or logos to print on the t-shirt. Let's head back to the administration area. I'll now fix the issues without much commentary. In general, we recommend frequently checking your changes in the front end. It's the best way to understand what each configuration option does and to get familiar with the app, especially given the number of options available. And remember, our support team is always here for you. Whether you have questions, feature ideas, or run into an issue, don't hesitate to get in touch. We want you to have a great experience with the app. One more thing, feel free to browse our other Shopware apps. You might find something useful, and some apps are available at a discounted bundle price. And here's the finished configurator, letting customers choose a color, add custom text, and select a motif. We hope this gave you a solid understanding of how the app works. If you're missing any functionality or you're having any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Until then, thanks for watching. We wish you great success with your Shopware store.